TATP Benchmark. The Telecommunication Application Transaction Processing Benchmark TAT is a benchmark designed to measure performance of in-memory database transaction systems. As database and microprocessor architectures change, so must the benchmarks that are employed to measure the combined performance of these critical components. While other industry-standard throughput workloads already exist, none was designed specifically to exercise the relationship between in-memory database software and the memory processing subsystem in which it transacts. The Telecommunication Application Transaction Processing TAT Benchmark is a new open-source workload designed specifically for high-throughput applications, well-suited for in-memory database performance analysis and system comparison. The TAT benchmark simulates a typical home location register HLR database used by a mobile carrier. The HLR is an application mobile network operators use to store all relevant information about valid subscribers, including the mobile phone number, the services to which they have subscribed, access privileges, and the current location of the subscriber's handset. Every call to and from a mobile phone involves lookups against the HLR of both parties, making it a perfect example of a demanding, high-throughput environment where the workloads are pertinent to all applications requiring extreme speed: telecommunications, financial services, gaming, event processing, and alerting, reservation systems, software as a service. The benchmark generates a flooding load on a database server. This means that the load is generated up to the maximum throughput point that the server can sustain. The load is generated by issuing predefined transactions run against a specified target database. The target database schema is made to resemble a typical HLR database in a mobile phone network. The algorithm of what is known as the TAT benchmark was originally published in a master's thesis. The benchmark was modeled after a real test program that was used by a telecom equipment manufacturer to evaluate the applicability of various relational database systems to service control programming in mobile. Another derivative of the original test is the network database benchmark. TAT executes 7 predefined transactions that insert, update, delete, and query the data in the database. The TAT results show mean qualified throughput MQTH of the target database system and the response time distributions per transaction types for all 7 types of transactions. The TAT benchmark has been used in industry and research.